How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can update your Mercedes-Benz software. So in order to do this, we have two ways, basically the map update or the small updates that we could do directly onto our Mbox. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through settings, system, software update, and on the Mbox display, ensure that the automatic online update is toggled on, and basically from time to time, the car will update itself if it's only a small and minor system updates. Now for manual download, if an update is pending, a prompt will appear on your screen, so you just want to click on start and you should be good to go. Basically, in order to install this, you have to make sure that your vehicle is safely parked, and then a message will appear after you turn off the engine, so just follow the on-screen instructions on screen, lock the device, and allow it to complete. Now for big updates and manual navigation, or basically map updates, basically it's for large files like full regional or map updates. It is often faster to use your computer. So just head over to the Mercedes-Benz portal, which is going to be this portal right here. And then once inside, you just want to make sure that you have logged in your account. Now from there, you want to select your car, click the manage digital services, and go through the online map update, which is going to be inside this options right here. Now select manual update and then choose the regions that you need it for. So follow the prompt to install the download manager onto your computer, and basically you just have to use a USB, plug the USB onto your car, and from there, once again, follow the on-screen instructions and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.